Hello everybody, True Songbird here again today with our last and final video in the lesson, What Makes a Staff Valid? Okay, so the main question I want you to be able to answer by the end of this video is, what is a time signature? And the side questions I want you to be able to answer are, what is the top number? And what is the bottom number? So by the end of the video, you need to know what these three things are, or you need to watch the video again, as they are all very important. So first off, where do you find a time signature? I will show you, once again, with my previously mentioned awesome art skills. So there's our staff. We know that first is our clef, whatever it is. Then second is our time signature. And then third is our time signature. Oh, did I just call that the time signature? Sorry, that's our key signature. This is our time signature, right there. The 4/4. So what is that exactly? I will explain. 4/4 is the most common time, and as a result, it's often drawn as a C for common. They mean the exact same thing. There's no difference. Not to be confused with that. That actually equals 2/4. It's called cut time. It's often drawn like this, but you might see it drawn in its fraction form. Doesn't matter. So, what does this actually mean? Well, the bottom number tells you what kind of notes equal one beat in this song. If it's a 4, then the quarter note has one beat. If it's a 2, the half note has one beat. And if it's an 8, then the eighth note gets one beat. Alright? So, I haven't seen that bottom number be anything else, but it's possible there could be more complicated ones, but you most likely won't see it. These are the three you'll most likely see. But then what does the top number mean? The top number is like the quantity. It tells you how many there are in that measure. So 4/4 means that 4, the quarter notes, equal one beat, and that 4 of them could fit. So one measure would look like this if it was all quarter notes. It can also be something that's equivalent to it. What do I mean by equivalent? Well, don't two half notes equal the same thing? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats. 1, 4. Sorry, let me try that again. That was really stupid. I didn't say that. 1, 3. Because each one of them is worth 2 beats. 2 and 2 is 4. It's worth the same thing. What about if I wanted to do it with eighth notes? One and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's still 4 beats. So all of these would be valid for this time signature. And of course they can be mixed up too. Like I can have 2 quarter notes and a half note and so on and so forth. As long as it adds up to 4, it's valid for that time signature. Can I have 2 whole notes in one measure? No, because that would add up to 8. That wouldn't work. 2/4 is twice as fast and, like I said, is referred to as cut time. Deciphering this one, quarter notes have one beat, and there can only be 2 of them. So this is the most that can fit as far as quarter notes in one measure. How about a half notes? Well, only one could fit, because that's already 2 beats. Can I fit a whole note in here? No, because that's actually 4 beats, and that's too many. What about eighth notes? One and 2 and. That's still 2, so all of these would be valid for 2/4, and once again, they could be mixed up. Okay, so that was after a lot of thinking, the simplest way that I can think of to explain time signatures. Once again, please make sure that you can answer those questions I showed you in the beginning. And now we can finally move on from what makes a staff valid. So I need some time to think about what my next lesson will be. If you want to give me ideas in the comments, I'm always open to ideas. Or if you have any questions you just want to ask me, feel free to comment and I will definitely answer you. I'm not one to ignore my watchers. Alright, until next time, True Songbird out.